The Benelli and the, was that an R93?
I think I'm ready.
Looks good. Ship it.
I get one shot with this and then finish with the pistol.
Hell yeah, bro. That's how you do it. Right behind you. He's a. This thing's accurate as hell.
Yes,
moving on.
I saw that too.
I'm gonna go bang him. Bang, bang. That's not 10 feet. Oh. Oh. Oh, asshole. Oh.
Completely worth it.
Did you shoot me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're like bang bang, the guy's like, that's not 10 feet, which you were probably like 15 feet away.
Yeah.
So I went around, I was like, fuck.
Oh.
And I go get shot in the
What?
shoulder.
What? He said 2?
Yeah.
Done.
And then Mike is. It's fucking funny.
Worth it.
Yeah, he shot at me. He's like, bang, bang. I'm like, that's not 10 feet away. So I went to walk away, and I thought he shot me. I'm like, damn it. No, it was this guy. Dude, this thing's accurate as hell. I was sitting right next to Joker, and I literally just picked, I went, it dipped like right before it got to him, and it was perfect.
Yeah, I'll have to say, my gloves ain't gonna get it all.
Here you are, senor.
Gracias!
Dude, you saw those 2 shots I put on those kids? Oh, yep. Well, 2 extra technically now. You saw those 2 shots I put on? Those kids?
Yeah.
Dude, this is
I come around like this, I had the pistol and went pat, pat, it got stuck and went pow! Pat!
Dude, Dallas shot me. I was gonna pound it, but alright.
Oh, sorry.
Waste all the ammo.
I'm going straight up.
Guys, don't shoot it.
Shit. Reloading. I got your 6. Bang, bang! You already did. Bang, bang! Oh, yeah. Gun tip, bro, gun tip. Everything's left. I'm gonna move that way, I'll get your 6.
Go.
From where? Not 10 feet. No tape, no tape.
Hey!
Game over.
Is that it?
I think so. I want to go left. No one's going there.
Watch it. One in all black coming around that corner.
He's called. I hit you, I know it! Not you, black. One in the black. Go.
Behind you.
All right. Reloading. Reloading, guys.
Come on now, dude.
Yeah, I know. Back in it.
All right, I'm gonna pull out.
Giggity. Hit. Fuck, right on my GoPro.
We got you right through that window.
Yep.
Guys,
go
over
this way?
here.
I'm going
Away from
inside.
the corner.
I'm going inside the
Bathrooms?
bathroom area.
Right here, right here. Bang, bang.
Fuck that.
I hit you, dude.
You didn't hit me.
I watched you recoil.
It recoiled off my gun.
Alright, whatever.
No, they don't. Bang, bang.
Good kill. Hey.
I'm out of ammo. Ah! Do gunshots count? When it bangs off your gun?
Yeah.
I've always been told gun hits do not count. Always.
I told you guys when you brief.
I wasn't here for the brief.
Don't worry, I told you guys when I briefed.
We weren't here for the brief.
No, you didn't cover that in briefing. I promise you that.
Gun hits don't. The fact that gun hits count is ridiculous.